Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, anaphora, is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: it is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase is repeated at the beginning of the verses. What does it mean? Simply, it means that anaphora is a rhetorical device in which a word or phrase is repeated at the beginning of successive clauses, phrases, or sentences. This question must be in your mind: that why anaphora is used by a writer or a poet. So a simple answer is, it is a type of repetition that can be used to create emphasis, rhythm, and unity in writing. In simple words, anaphora is nothing but just a repetition of same words or phrases in the beginning of verses or lines. Just take the example of one of the poems of Rudyard Kipling. One of his famous poem is, If. In this poem, Rudyard Kipling has used the repetition of the word, if, at the beginning of many of lines. This creates a sense of rhythm and emphasis. Just look at this poem first stanza. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. You can see, this a stanza of this poem, and here is the repetition of the word, if. So simply, you can say that this technique is called anaphora in English literature. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.